Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. This is a good news video. I'm super excited to share good news. It's kind of funny. In 2020, I made a lot of immigration videos and they were all bad news. And now finally in 2020, I'm still making immigration videos, but they're all good news. So it's kind of exciting to share good news. This video is about H4 EAD removal rule being withdrawn. What that means, first of all, it's a very positive thing. What that means is that there was a rule passed that they wanted to remove H4 EAD. So for all the spouses who are on H4 visa, who are on dependent visa, they had work permit available, but there was a rule passed that they want to remove this rule. So that has been withdrawn by Department of Homeland Security, and what that means, that's what we're going to talk about. Okay, so let's do a history a little bit. For people who are on H-1B visa in United States, their spouses are on H-4 visa, which is a dependent visa. In the past, all those spouses on H-4 visa could apply for H-4 EAD, which is Employment Authorization Document. That's basically a work permit for spouses can work in United States. Now, there are conditions. They can only apply if the H-1B visa person has applied for green card and has I-140 approved, or has 6 years plus H-1B visa, something like that. But in 2015, during Trump administration, they filed a rule to cancel this rule because they wanted to basically say that this rule giving out the work permit to H4 dependent visa is going to take away the jobs from American. So getting EAD on H4 was a rule, and there was a rule passed to cancel H4 EAD rule. Makes sense. So now basically on January 25th, which is yesterday, Department of Homeland Security withdrew that case, saying that we don't want to pursue anymore this removal of H4 EAD. It's a great thing, but also that means that they have to justify why they want to withdraw it. Anyway, that is all we know so far. So it's a great news that they don't want to remove H4 EAD, and that means that H4 EAD will be in place, and hopefully we will get more official news from Department of Homeland Security, USCIS, and all of that. I will keep you guys posted. Also tomorrow, which is Thursday, every other Thursday, I'm going to be having a live Q&A session with immigration lawyers. So bring your questions to that. This is a great news. Celebrate if you are in this H4 EAD category. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep smiling and keep hustling. Gotta hustle every single day.